folks. This is David Lentz. I'm an attorney and I'm here to help you with your legal matter. How do I go about doing that? Well, I have over 35 years of experience, and I think you'll agree with me that one of the key elements to effectively helping a client such as yourself would be to trust your lawyer and to have faith and confidence in him. Well, in 35 years, I've had a lot of experience. I try very, very hard to communicate effectively with my client, to keep them fully informed about their case, to explain the good and the bad, the facts and the circumstances I analyze with the client, to tell them what the strengths and weaknesses of their cases are. I try to give them a good idea of what I think the probable outcome will be. And although in litigation matters we can never guarantee an outcome simply because it's ethically impermissible to do so, if clients give me valid information and complete information, by and large I normally can give them a good assessment of where I think the case is going to go. But communication is the key, and trust. And I try to explain fees up front. I try to give good value for the money, so to speak. Fees are fully explained. You'll never get a bill from me that is unexpected. I also give assessments, like I said, of the probable outcomes. So a client will never feel lost, and I always keep the client apprised of what's going on during the course of the case so that they don't feel like the lawyer is out of control. Everything is a team endeavor. I believe in a team approach. I am bound by the ethical rules of the Virginia State Bar and the Virginia Supreme Court. So in that sense, I take those obligations very, very seriously, and I think that works out in the end for everybody's benefit. Let me tell you a little bit about myself and why I bring particular expertise to any litigation or other legal matter. Originally, when I graduated from the University of Richmond Law School, I was with a litigation firm. We did all types of litigation: personal injury, criminal, environmental, school board, all kinds of litigation. From there, I went with the Virginia Housing Development Authority, became senior counsel, was involved in the law of mortgage lending and construction lending, to lend to folks and developers to build apartment developments and for people to buy homes. So from there on in, my career has sort of wound its way back and forth between litigation, trial work, and also real estate and transactional matters. So I sort of have always worn two hats. I do have a master's degree in business administration from the University of Pittsburgh, where I majored in finance, and I have a little bit of a tax background as well. I have been on the court-appointed list in the city of Richmond and in Chesterfield County and in Colonial Heights. So I've done things such as trial work, bank robbery case in federal courts, a rape case, all kinds of larceny cases, breaking and entering, traffic DUI cases, things like that. I've done divorce cases, child custody cases. A lot of real estate related litigation, things dealing with easement litigation, eminent domain litigation, lots of construction law litigation, partition lawsuits to settle estates. On the other hand, I've put together limited liability companies that would develop real estate to sell single-family homes. I've done commercial leases. For example, I did represented landlords dealing with big retail enterprises such as AutoZone, and I did not represent AutoZone. I represented the owner of the shopping center. So I have both a substantial amount of litigation and real estate and business related experience. I went to Randolph-Macon College in Ashland, located here. I'm located here in Richmond, Virginia. My website is davidlentzlaw.com. There's a bio and background information on me there, and you can shoot me an email from my website at davidlentzlaw.com, or you can call me at 804-549-7240. A lot of times the fastest way to get in touch with me actually is by email on my website, simply because a lot of times when I can't answer the phone, I might be in court or whatever, I have actually have more access to my email than a lot of times than I do my phone. So get in touch with me, let me help you with your problem. I think that I bring a lot to the table, and I hope that you agree with me, and I hope to see you soon. Thanks. This is David Lentz.